Hey everybody, Stanford Adventure here. Today I'm going to be unboxing and installing my new anti-gravity battery. My battery on my bike went bad and I did a lot of research, and this is the one I decided to get for a couple reasons that I'll mention here in a second. The people at Antigravity have given me a little bit of sponsorship with this battery, but in no way is that ever really going to affect my opinion. So when talking to the people at Antigravity, they suggested the ATX-12-HD. Obviously the 12 is for 12 volts. The main reason I got this is clearly for the weight. Besides the weight, there are a couple other reasons I went with this battery. One is the cranking amps. 480 cranking amps. Boxer engine on a GSA, it's a lot to crank over. The other reason, after being stranded twice actually at a gas station, my battery would start my bike fine. I'd ride. If I hadn't ridden enough, it wouldn't restart the bike the second time. It clearly just had seen its day. Honestly, I wasn't putting it on the trickle charger enough. The other reason, this battery has, well, basically smart technology in it. It's got a restart feature, which is a button on the top of the battery that I'll show you here in a little bit. The restart feature, button here on the top. If your battery ends up getting depleted down to the point where it only has basically enough juice to start your bike, the battery's going to put itself to sleep, not let it get depleted anymore. If that is the case, you get to the restart button. Some bikes you might be able to reach it easily, others you may have to pull it out of the battery box, although they do sell an accessory that you can hook up and you just give it a little jolt and that does it. I'll put a link to, obviously I'm going to put a link to both the battery and the accessory down below. A couple other features, obviously lithium ion, super light. It's got the built-in jump starting, microprocessing, battery maintenance system, shuts it off, puts it to sleep. You can put it to sleep for the winter. It's got 4 terminals. We'll look at those in a second. And it's got a 3-year warranty. Let's open her up. No screws, a owner's manual. Okay, so the foam you can use to take up some space if this ends up being a little bit smaller than your OEM battery. Oh, it's so light, it's fantastic. There's the button for the restart feature right there on the top. Comes with 4 terminals, makes it easy to orient it in your battery box depending on which way your cables are running. And here you go. I cannot wait to install this baby and feel a little bit more secure that my bike will start after a stop, because that hasn't been the case lately. Let's go down and install it. Time to install this battery. The T25 Torx to take off the battery cover. The BMWs have these little rubber grommets that pins go through, that those rubber grommets, man, do they love to pop out, and that's exactly what you don't want. They fall down into the engine area and then you're fishing for them. Okay, rubber strap, you just lift that up and off. Let's see what we got here. There's our negative in the front. These batteries are jammed in there pretty good on this BMW, I'll admit it. When you're changing a battery, you want to disconnect your negative first. Negative terminal disconnected. Now let's get this battery out. Now comes the fun part. Oh, easy. I don't want it to touch the camera. Aha, fantastic. Man, feel the weight of that battery. Moment of truth here. Let's see what my old battery weighed. 7.8 pounds. Yeah, I'm giving my battery box a little cleaning. Okay. And now you want to hook the battery back up same way you disconnected it. Remove the caps. You should keep the caps on the side you're not going to use. Okie dokie. Definitely use the new screws, new washers. Specs on battery terminal is 6 foot-pounds, which is nothing really. Don't want to over tighten. Double checking. Positive in the back, negative in the front. Bingo. New post connection. Ah, that's nice. New screw with the washer. Changing the battery isn't rocket science. Let's do the first start. .2. Here goes. Should hold steady at around 14.6, I believe. 14.5, 14.6. It's not dropping too fast. That's always a good sign. My previous battery we used to go down to like 11 almost immediately. Now we'll go for a second start, which my battery would never do. A little service is on because I need an oil change currently. Okay, I just took my bike for a ride for about an hour. Let's see how the battery's doing. 13.2. It's on, holding steady at 13.2. Like I said earlier, my old battery used to drop down to 11 and change pretty quickly. Let's fire this puppy up.
Starts right up. Okay, catch you later.
Stand for Adventure signing off. Like and subscribe.